Now next one is, read the following measurement. See, one small thing they have given. See, normally they say it is 15,000 gram. They have given in your book, it is 15,000 gram. Now how will you tell this 15,000 gram? You have to, when you want to convert into kilogram, you will say it is 15 kg. It is 15 kg. Now next one, they have given 25,000 gram. Now how will you convert this? You will say it is 25 kg. So now this is what you are going to convert this gram into kilogram. Now what we are going to do? You are going to convert the gram into kilogram. Now how will you convert gram into kilogram? Now what you have to do is, you have to divide. Say when you want to convert gram into kilogram, you have to divide by 1000. You have to divide by 1000. So these are the things which you have to take it in your book. See, now what you have to do when you want to convert gram into kilogram, you have to divide by 1000. So in that, one first exercise, see 1000 gram. They have given 1000 gram. First one is 1000 gram. Now how will you convert this 1000 gram? Now what will you do? 1000 divided by 1000. Now what will you do? 1000 divided by 1000. What did I say? How will you convert this gram into kilogram? You have to, whatever the value is given in grams, you have to convert, or you have to divide with 1000. So what is 1000 divided by 1000? It is 1. So what you have to write? It is 1 kg. Now what is the second one they have given in your book? It is 12,000 gram. 12,000 gram. Now how will you write 12,000? 12,000, how will you write? It is 12,000 divided by 1000. Now what is the 12,000 divided by 1000? It is 12 kg. It is 12 kg. So for your rough column, I'll tell you. See, how will you divide 12,000 by 1000? Very easy. This 0, again this 0. What is remaining here? It is 12. So this is how you have to convert the gram into kilogram. Now next one, they have given 2,700 gram. Now how will you do this? 2,700 gram. Again same way, 2,700 divided by 1000. Now what is it? What is the answer you get? You get 2 kilo. You can't write 27 kilo. You have to write 2 kilos and 700 gram. It is 2 kilo and 700 gram. Now next one, what is the fourth sum they have given in your book? It is 9,300 gram. 9,300 gram. Now how will you divide it? 9,300 divided by 1000. Now how will you convert this gram into kilogram? You have to divide by 1000. See, now how will you divide? See, 9,300 by 1000. So now how much it is? So you have to write it is 9 kilo and 300. When you divide it, you get 9 kilo and 300 gram. So you have it has to be like this, 9 kilo and 300 gram. Now next, what is your fifth sum? It's given 3,030 gram. How will you convert again this? 3,030 divided by 1000. You have to divide it by 1000. Now what is the answer you get? It is 3 kilo. It is 3 kilo. And what is remaining here? 30 grams. 30 grams. So this is how you have to convert the gram into kilogram. So how will you convert the gram into kilogram? You have to divide by 1000. When you want to convert gram into milligram, you have to multiply. When you want to convert gram into kilogram, you have to divide by 1000. See, next, try this. It's given in your book. Now one, try this. In try this, first one, see, you have to convert the following measurement into kg. So what is it? You have to convert into kg. They have given first one, 6550 gram. What is the question they have given? It is 6550 gram. Now how will you convert the 6550 gram? I already told you, when you want to convert gram to kilogram, what you have to do? You have to divide by 1000. You have to divide by 1000. So when you divide by 1000, 6550 by 1000. Now what is the answer you are going to get? It is 6 kilo. It is 6 kilo and 550 grams. It is 6 kilos and 550 grams. Now what is the second one they have given? It is 7350 gram. 7350. That is 7,350 gram. Now how will you convert this? Same way, you have to write 7350 by 1000. Because when you want to convert gram into kilogram, you have to divide. So what is the answer you will get? 7 kilos 350 grams. It is 7 kilos and 350 grams. Now next one is third sum. They have given is 10,625 gram. It is 10,625 gram. Now how will you do this 10,625 grams? How will you convert this? Same way, you have to divide it by 1000. You have to divide it by 1000. Now what is the answer? You get 10 kilos and 625 grams. You get 10 kilos and 625 grams. Now next one, fourth one, 11,050 gram. 11,050 grams. Now how will you do this? Same way, 11,050 by 1000 by 1000. So what is it? What is the answer you get? It is 11 kilo and 50 gram. It is 11 kilo and 50 gram. Now what is the last sum they are given? It is 12,005 gram. It is 12,005 gram. Now how will you do this 12,005 gram? Same way, 12,005 by 1000 by 1000. Now what is the answer here? 12,005. It is 12 kilos and 5 gram. It is 12 kilos and 5 grams. So this is how you have to convert the gram into milligram and gram to kilogram. See, the next one is to convert milligram into gram. To convert milligram into gram. Now what you have to do to convert milligram into gram? You have to divide by 1000. What you have to divide? You have to divide whatever the value given in mg. You have to divide that with 1000. So this is the next one. Yeah, I am going to take. So what is it I told you? When you want to convert milligram to gram, now what you have to do? You have to divide by 1000. See, always in your maths notebook or whenever you do your homework, these formulas you can just write it in your left hand side of your notebook, so that whenever you need to do your sums, you can just verify these and do it. So what you have to do? When you want to convert milligram into gram, you have to divide mg, whatever the value mg is given, you have to divide by 1000. See, in that first one, it is 1000 mg. It is 1000 mg. Now how will you do this 1000 mg? 1000 divided by 1000. Now what is 1000 divided by 1000? It is 1 gram. It is 1 gram. Now second sum, it is 3000 mg. It is 3000 mg. How will you do? 3000. Now what did I say? How will you convert this mg into gram? Yes, you have to convert this 3000 divided by 1000. You have to divide by 1000. Now what is the answer? Now how will you do this 3000? 3000 by 1000. See, how will you do this 3000 by 1000? Very easy method. Just cut off all this. You get how much? It is 3 gram. See, this rough and all, it should be in your right hand side of your notebook, or you can just draw a line just beneath your notebook, the underline. Now next one is 7000 mg. 7000 mg. Never do a rough here in this mid of your notebook. Either you can do it in your right hand side, or you can draw a line here down and just do your rough. Now how will you do this 7000 mg? So how will you do 7000 mg? Now what you have to do? You have to, what did I tell you? How will you convert this mg into gram? You have to divide this by 1000. Divide, how will you divide? So when you do it, you have 7 gram. It is 7 gram. Now next one is fourth one, 4750. It is 4750 milligram. Now how will you do this 4750? Now what you have to do is 4750, you have to divide by 1000. Is it clear now? You have to divide by 1000. How will you convert this milligram to gram? You have to divide by 1000. I told you, 4750 divided by 1000. Now what is it? When you get 1000 fours are 4000. Is it clear? Now what is the remaining? You get 750. So now what you have to do? Now what you have to do? 4, it is 4 gram. And what is the remaining here? It is 750. Now what you have to write? 750 milligram. Is it clear now? So what you have to do is 4750 mg. How will you convert this into gram? How will you convert into gram? This value divided by 1000. So when I divided with 1000, you got 4 here and the remaining was 750 here. So this 4 you can make it as gram and this 750 you can convert in, you can make it as milligram. Now next one, what is the next one they have given? 8730 milligram. Now how will you do this? 8730 milligram. How will you do 8000? Same way, 8730 divided by 1000. Divided by 1000. Same way you can do your rough column. 8730 divided by 1000. So 8 times 1000 8s are 8000. Now what is the remaining here? 730. Now what will you write here? It is 8 gram. Very good. 8 gram. Then the remaining is what? It is 730. So 730 mg. So this is how you have to convert the milligram into gram. So I'll repeat, how will you convert milligram into gram? You have to divide whatever the value is given, you have to divide with this 1000. See, these things you can do it just easily, you can do. You can cut off all the 0, you can easily write 7 gram. But when you get like these values, now what you have to do like this. You have to divide it and the remaining will be the grams and this one will be, so this one will be the gram and this one will be milligram. So you have to do rough column always. It is better to do a rough and do it. Now next one is, they have given us try these. With these mgs and gram, what do you call it, conversion of mgs and grams, sums, if they are given some, try sums, try these sums. What is a try these sums? First one, what is it they have given? Convert the following measurement into gram. Now what is it they have given? Convert into gram. You have to convert into grams. That is a sum they have given in try these. Now how will you convert into gram? I told you, when it is in milligram, when you want to convert into gram, you can divide it by 1000. You have to divide by 1000. Now what is the first sum they have given? It is 5000 mg. It is 5000 mg. Now how will you convert this mg into gram? I told you already, you have to divide it with 1000. Whatever the value they are given, this mg value, it has to be divided. So 5000 divided by 1000. What is it? It is 5 gram. It is 5 gram. It is 5 gram. Now second one. What is the second one? 6500. 6500 mg. Now how will you convert this? Same way I told you, always when you do a sum, you can do a rough column. So how will you do the 6500 divided by 1000? What is it? 6000. And what is the remaining one? 500. So how will you write it? You have to write 6500 divided by 1000. Now how will you write? 6 gram and 500 milligram. 6 gram and 500 milligram. Now next one, 7300 mg. 7300 mg. Now how will you convert the 7300? Same way, you have to divide by 1000. You have to divide by 1000. Now how will you divide? 1000 sevens are 7000. What is the remaining here? It is 300. So 7 gram and 300 mg. It is 300 mg. Mg is what? Milligram. Now fourth sum, 11,600 mg. I'll see, can anyone tell me? Try this. How will you do this 11,600 mg? Same way, you have to divide it. 11,600 divided by 1000. So one time you will get 16. Again you can do 6 times. One time. So what is the remaining here? 600. So what is the answer here? It is 11 here and the remaining is 600. So now what you have to write? It is 11 gram and 600 mg, the 600 milligram. You have to divide by 1000, and whatever the remaining it is given, that can be taken as the milligram, and whatever you have got it in the quotient, you have to take it as a gram. Now next one they have given in your book is the following jewels are given in mg. So what happened is, what they have given is the following jewels are given in mg. See, they have brought nose stud, ear stud, ring, necklace. What are the four things they have got it? Nose stud, ear stud, ring and necklace. So they have given into mg. Now they are asking you to do into, you have to convert them into gram. See, what is it they have given is, they have brought four things: nose stud, ear stud, ring, and what is the last one? Necklace. So that they have given it in mg. That is, mg is what? Milligram. Now that you have to convert that into gram. That you have to convert into gram. See, first one. What is the first one they have given? Nose stud. You have to convert into gram. You have to convert into gram. What is the first one? Nose stud. Nose stud, for how much she has brought? It is 1950 mg. It is 1950 mg. Now how will you do this? When you want to convert this mg into gram, you have to divide. Already I have told you, when you want to convert this mg, into gram, you have to divide by 1000. So what will you get? 1950 divided by 1000. Now what is the answer? Already I told you, when you divide, what will you do? 1950 by 1000. So 1 time. So what is the remaining here? 950. So what is the answer here? What will you write? It is 1 gram and 950 mg. So you have to write 1 gram and 950 mg. Now what is the second one? Second one they have given. It is ear stud. Ear stud. Your earrings, whatever you call it as earring. She is brought for 2750 mg. It is 2750 mg. Now again, how will you convert this? Again, this has to be divided by 1000. 2750 divided by 1000. Now what is the answer you get? Same way you have to divide this. So what is the answer? 2 gram 750 mg. It is 2 gram and 750 mg. Now what is the third thing the mother has brought? It is a ring. For how much she has brought? 4350 mg. So this you have to convert it to gram. Now how will you convert? 4350 divided by 1000. Now what is the answer? Same way you have to divide here. 1000 divided by 4350. Now how much it is? 1000 fours are 4000. So what is remaining here? 350. So this will be mg and this will be gram. So it is 4 gram and 350 mg. Mg means it is milligram. And what is the last thing? It is a necklace. For how much is brought necklace? 16450 mg. 16450. That is 16,450 milligrams she has brought. Now what you have to do again? Same way. 16450 divided by 1000. So now what is the answer here? You have to divide it. It is 16 grams and 450 mg. Now how is it? I will tell you. Same way. The same way you have to divide. It is 16450 divided by 1000. So how many times? 16,000. So 16,000. What is the remaining here? 450. So the 16 will be taken as a gram and this 450 will be taken as a milligram. So this is how you have to convert the gram, so the milligram into gram. How will you convert milligram into gram? You have to divide whatever the value is given in milligram, you have to divide that with 1000. You will get the gram answer. So this is how you have to do. See, the next one is your addition in this. So now normal simple conversion and all you did. Simple conversion, you are just converting with 1000 and you are multiplying with 1000, you are adding all that, you are doing it. But now what you are going to do now? You are going to do addition. Addition of all these grams and milligrams. Addition you are going to do now. See, the first one in your example, it is 160 gram, 920 mg, mg is what? Milligram, plus 75 gram and 440 milligram, that is mg, plus, see how many they have given? 3, 9 gram and it is 50 mg. Now what did I tell you? Always whenever these things are given, you should write it here on the top. Always you differentiate gram and milligram. Now first one what they have given? It is 160 gram. Now what is mg here they have given? 920. Is it clear? Always when you get such sums, now what you have to do? These values are mg, gram, kilogram, centimeter, whatever they have given, you have to write it on the top and just make it clear. Okay, what is the next one they have given? It is 75 gram. Now how many milligrams they have given? 440. Now what is the next one they have given? It is 9 gram and 50 mg. Now what you have to do now? You have to add. Now how will you add? 0 plus 0 plus 0 is how much? It is 0. Now what is 2 plus 4? 6. 6 plus 5 is how much? 2 plus 4 is 6. 6 plus 5 is 11. Now you have to put 1 here. Now what is 1 plus 9? Very good. 10. 10 plus 4, it is 14. 10 plus 4 is 14. Now what that 1 where should you put? Here. Now what is 1 plus 0? It is 1. 1 plus 5, 6. Now how much is 6? 6 plus 9? It is 15. Now what you have to do here? You have to put 1 here. 1 plus 6, it is 7. 7 plus 7 is 14. Very good. What does 1 here? Again 1 you have to put here. 1 plus 1 is 2. So now what is the answer you have to write? You have to write. So because I have given you a gram, you have to write 245 grams. And what have you given here? It is mg. So this is how you have to do it. It is 245 grams and 410 mg. It is mg, it is milligram. So this is how you have to do your addition sum. So how will you do your addition sum? Always you have to write whatever the value, whatever it is given here, you have to write it on the top. And then what you have to do? You have to write the values. Is it clear now? Now what you have to do? You have to write the values, whatever g or mg, whatever they have given, you have to write it on the top and then add it, and finally you have to write the answer. See, in that, try this. Now first one, I will see how many can do this. 76 kilos, 450 gram, and how much it is? 8 kilos and 300 gram. I will see first what you have to do here. Now what you have to do always when it is given? Always you have to write your kilo and here you have to write gram. Now what you have to do? You have to write your kilo and gram. Whatever they have given here, you have to write. You can't do by yourself. Now how many kilos are given here? 76 kilos. Now how many grams given? 450 grams. Now here how many kilos? 8. Then how many grams? 300. Now what they have asked you to do? Plus. Very good. Now 0 plus 0, 0. 5 plus 0, 5. 4 plus 3, 7. 6 plus 8, 14. Now immediately you will put here 1. Now 7 plus 1, 8. So now what you have to do here? After writing this, immediately whatever you have written on the top, you have to write it here, kilo. And here it is gram. Is it clear now? Now what you have to do? After writing it, after just deriving the addition, whatever the value you get, immediately on the top what you have written here should be written here. Gram should be written here. Right. Now next one. It is 6 kilos. So 6 kilos. Immediately what did I say? It is 6 kilos, 900 gram and 65 kilos and 50 gram. So what is the second sum they have given? 6 kilos, 900 gram and 65 kilos and 50 gram. So now on the top, what should you write? Kilos and gram. Now for first one, what they are given? 6 kilo. Okay, very good. Gram? 900. Now what is the second one? Which we have to add? It is 65 kilos. It is 65 kilos. Then how many grams? It is 50 grams. Now what you have to do? Immediately put like this, add. Now what is 0 plus 0? 0. 0 plus 5? 5. 9. Nothing is here. So it has to be what? Straight away the 9 only it has to be written. Now what is 6 plus 5? 6 plus 5 is 11. Immediately put 1 here. 1 plus 6? What? 7. Now what you have to write here? Immediately this kg or kilogram should be written here. And what is given here? It is gram. So this is how you have to do your addition. Now your third sum. I will see how many can do this. It is 50 gram. See what is the third sum? They have given us gram and mg. What is the third sum they have given? 50 gram, 600 mg, 45 gram, 750 mg. That is mg is what? Milligram. 6 gram and 300 mg. Now immediately on the top, immediately what you have to do? Gram and milligram. Very good. Now here what you have to do? 50, then 600. What is the second value they are given? 45 and 750. Now what is the third one they have given? 6 and 300. 6 and 300. Now plus. Now straight away 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 5 is how much? 5. 5 plus 0 is 5. Now what is 6 plus 7? What is 6 plus 7? 13. 13 plus 3? 14, 15, 16. Now where should you put 1? Where should you put 1? Very good. Here 1. Now 1 plus 0 is how much? 1. 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 6 is how much? 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 2 you have to write it here. And 1 where should you write? Here. 1 plus 5? 6. 6 plus 4? 7, 8, 9, 10. Now what should you write here? What should you write here? Yes, very good. It is 102 grams, 650 mg. Is it clear now? Now, what is the fourth sum they have given for you? 150 gram, 700 milligram, 60 gram, 500 mg, 75 gram, 130 mg. So, immediately same way, gram, mg. See, always your maths notebook, maths always, your maths teacher, they always see all this, your headings, because these things are very important in your maths. Because just straight away, you can't do this 50, 45, 600. Always you have to write these values, whatever they have given on the top, you have to do it. Now, what is the fourth sum they have given? 150 gram, am I right? 150 gram. How many milligrams? It is 700 mg. Now, what is the second one they have given? 60 gram plus, what is it? How many mg it is? 500 mg. Now, what is the next one? 75 gram. What is the mg? 130 mg. Now, what you have to do? You have to add. Now, what is 0 plus 0 plus 0? 0. 0 plus 0? 0. 0 plus 3? 3. Now, what is 7 plus 5? 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 plus 1? 13. Very good. Now, what you have to do here? You have to write 1 here. So, what is 1 plus 0? 1. 1 plus 0 again 1. 1 plus 5? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, what is 5 plus 6? 11. 11 plus 7? 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Now, where should you write that 1? On the top of this. Now, what is it? 1 plus 1 is 2. Now, I will say how many are going to tell me this. Now, what you have to write here? Just leave it? Just leave this? No. What you have to write? This gram you have to write here. And this mg should be written here. So, this is how you have to add your addition. You have to do your addition.